What's up guys? In today's video I'm going to talk about how you can calculate the difference between two times. So for example, in your office you are having a system of recording your in punch and out punch, and maybe right now you want to calculate the difference between your in punch and out punch. So in this video I'm going to discuss about that things. So let's begin. Okay, so if we see in our Excel file, it's just a dummy file here. Your in punch is here and out punch is here, and you just want to calculate the duration between in punch and out punch. Just for the example purpose, I have given the in punch and out punch of two sets and the same data sets in different formats. So for example, here if you see, it is not written as AM/PM, but in the below it is written as AM/PM. So just to understand a couple of things, like it is 17 September 8:34, that is obviously in the morning, and the out punch is 17 September 2016 20:59, I mean obviously 8:59 PM at the night. And in the next data if we see, it is 17 September 9:54 AM in punch, and out punch if we consider, it is 18 September. So in that case it is almost more than 1 day. So from 17 September it is going to 18 September, 9:54 AM to 10:40 AM. Okay, so the thing is that you just want to calculate the difference between these two punches. So what you have to do at the initial phase, you have to you have to make a difference like this one minus this one. So out punch minus in punch equals something like 0.51 blah 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 blah. So it means it is just a difference between these two things. If we just put it down, see, the first one is 0.51. so whatever the duration you are watching here, it is actually in days. So it says you have done your job at the office for 0.5 days, and for the next line it is saying you have done job for 1.03 days. So you don't want to see the data in that way. You just want to see the data in typical format, like how many hours and how many minutes you have been there. So hour, minute, second, that kind of setup you want to see here. So all you have to do, you have to change the format of this data. So the basic is done, I mean out punch minus in punch, that is the basic. Now you have to do the formatting in a proper way so that you can see the data in your desired manner. So all you have to do, you have to just say for example, if okay fine, this 4-line data, all you have to do, you have to go to the format cells option. So you can do like control 1, or you can go for this format cell options. I'm gonna use this format cell options. So see, by default what it is showing here, it is in general mode. So you have to go to the custom section and you have to clear these things out. Now you have to write your own format. So all you want to see this data in hour, minute, second. So if you put hour, obviously with 1 colon, then minute and colon, then second, it is supposed to be okay, but it will not be okay. I'm gonna show you why. So if I just put it like hour, minute, second in that way, and if I press it like this, see, it was not supposed to be a working hour of 45 minutes only. It is supposed to be an working hour of more than 1 day. So it is a wrong thing you have done here. So you just need to correct the format. I'm gonna show you again. See, here in this section, hour is written as open H, so you have to close it with third bracket. If you put it like this, I mean you're just putting a third bracket with this hour and then followed by minute and seconds. You can also omit the seconds, you don't need that because people don't want to see the duration in that way, millisecond, second, that way. So it's done. Now you see it is being clearly written, like it's not like 4 hours, it is 24 hours, it is 12 hours, it is 12 hours. So that is how you can calculate the time difference. So the basic is that you just need to basic the things that you have to calculate the difference. So out punch minus in punch, that is the basic funda, and then you need to change the format in a proper way. So while doing the proper way, it means you don't need to just put the format as hour, minute and second. You have to put the hour in a proper way. You have to put the hour with the third bracket. So the format is like third bracket H colon mm. That is one good format, I would say. Oops, sorry. Yeah, if you put this like just open hour and minute, it will be a wrong formatting. So hope you have enjoyed this short tutorial, and if you just want to have anything to say, you can put it in the comment box, and please make a thumbs up for the video and also subscribe to my channel. So thank you very much. Hope to see you in another video. Good luck.